The journal article I've selected for our topic of reading is called Action Research of a Color-Coded Onset-Rime Decoding Intervention, Examining the Effects with First Grade Students Identified at Risk. This article looks at some researchers suggesting that using remedial reading strategies that focus on larger word units with relatively consistent vowel sounds, such as rhymes, may be better for students who struggle with reading when compared to teaching these students only how to decode words at the phoneme level. The researchers wanted to examine if color-coded onset-rime decoding intervention would be effective at enhancing mastery and transfer of word-reading skills on focused and unfocused words for students with or at risk of disabilities in an urban setting. Also, they wanted to investigate whether the students would be able to maintain any gains made 2 weeks after the study concluded. During the experiment, the students would read to the teacher one-on-one with particular books from a Read to Rhyme series that are guided at their own reading level. A single participant could read each book a maximum of 2 times, and they have about 8 to 16 training sessions. 3 out of 4 participants read each book once, and 1 participant is required to read 1 book twice. The results shown from struggling readers that a purpose of including the color coding in intervention was to help promote generalization of the skills learned. Hypothesized that the limited transfer and failure of students with or at risk for reading disabilities to use analogies about rhyme units to decode is due to the fact that rhyme is not salient enough for them to draw generalizations. The implications in the classroom. The results suggest that instruction at the onset-rime level can help struggling readers learn instructional words. Although not currently a component of many commercial programs, teachers are encouraged to include it as a supplemental instruction, especially for students who struggle to obtain the alphabetic principle. Teachers could use it during small group reading instruction as part of the Tier 1 curriculum for those students who are struggling with phonetics instruction at the phoneme level. During the research, all of the participants showed gains on near transfer skills. It is possible that color coding will be more helpful for students if a fading component is included. Therefore, teachers are encouraged to include color coding component pending the results from future research, but include a systematic fading procedure. The intervention was implemented by a certified teacher who found it easy to implement. She stated that she could produce similar materials in her own classroom and that her students enjoyed the intervention. Here is a bar graph of the participants. You can see the baseline on the left where the students started. In the middle is the post-intervention, and the maintenance stays at the end. So you can see that there is a gradual increase in performance from the onset-rime decoding intervention. This journal article was published in the State University of New York at Buffalo State, Buffalo, New York, United States of America.